హలో స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో మనము CO మాలిక్యూల్ యొక్క జామెట్రీని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయబోతున్నాం. కార్బన్ కాంపౌండ్ ఏదైనా కానీ ఫార్మేషన్లో ఎగ్జైటెడ్ స్టేట్ కార్బన్ ఆటమే హైబ్రిడేషన్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తుంది. కానీ ఒక కార్బన్ మోనాక్సైడ్లో మాత్రము గ్రౌండ్ స్టేట్ కార్బన్ టేక్ పార్ట్ ఇన్ hybridization. First of all, we take the rough geometry, rough shape. You know, oxygen number 8 అండి, nearest inert gas neon 10 అండి. The difference is 2. కాబట్టి ఆక్సిజన్ 2 bonds అనుకుందాం. Oxygen is making 2 bonds, clear? Now to form, what is the central atom here? Carbon is taken as central atom. Carbon atomic number 6, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, 2p1, 2p0. Now how many bonds it has to form? Carbon has to form 2 bonds. Among that one is sigma, one is pi bond. Clear? Now to form 2 bonds need 2 unpaired electrons. Need how many unpaired electrons? 2. I think in the ground state already it is having 2 unpaired electrons, so that there is no need to excite the electron. కార్బన్ ఆక్సిజన్తో 2 bonds ఫామ్ చేయాలండి. 2 bonds ఫామ్ చేయాలంటే 2 unpaired electrons కావాలి. ఆల్రెడీ తనలో 2 unpaired electrons ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి మనం దీన్ని ఈ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఎగ్జైట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. దట్స్ వై వి టేక్ గ్రౌండ్ స్టేట్ కార్బన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ గ్రౌండ్ స్టేట్ కార్బన్. గ్రౌండ్ స్టేట్ కార్బన్ ఈజ్ టేకెన్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్. రెండో పాయింట్, మీరు ఎన్ని పై బాండ్స్ ఫామ్ చేయాలి? 1 పై బాండ్. 1 పై బాండ్ కోసం 1 ప్యూర్ ఆర్బిటాల్ is separated. 1 pure p orbital separated to form 1 pi bond. Clarity ఉందా? ఎన్ని పై బాండ్స్ ఫామ్ చేయాలో అన్ని ప్యూర్ హాఫ్ ఫీల్డ్ ఆర్బిటాల్ సెపరేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. బికాస్ hybrid orbitals form only sigma bonds. Pi bonds are not formed by hybrid orbitals. So hybridization కనుక్కోవాలంటే we have to separate pi bonds. Now here 2s orbital and 2p orbital are taking part in hybridization. Thus as a result we are getting sp orbitals. Now electrons in these two, 3. One electron pair up, and still it is having half filled 2p pure orbital and 2p vacant orbital. Now what about oxygen? Oxygen number is 8. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 2p1, 2p1. Clear? So oxygen has 2 half filled p orbitals. Now I am taking one oxygen. Here is oxygen, one half filled 2p orbital, another half filled 2p orbital. This half filled 2p orbital make a sigma bond with which one? sp, half filled sp orbital of this one, and makes a pi bond with pure p orbital. Thus in between carbon and oxygen or oxygen makes one sigma sp dash sp and one pi bond p pi bond. One sigma bond sp dash p and one pi bond p pi bond. Clear? Thus in between carbon and oxygen, that is one sigma bond and one pi bond are formed. Later still it is having lone pair of electrons. This is oxygen is having lone pair of electrons. That's why this lone pair is donated to the vacant orbital of 2p orbital. Thus the lone pair of oxygen are donated to the vacant orbital of vacant orbital of carbon. Thus in between carbon and oxygen, one sigma bond, one pi bond, and one dative bond is formed. One dative bond is formed. Now you remember carbon is still having a pair of electrons clearly. Okay. This is the geometry of carbon monoxide. I will explain once again. In the formation of carbon monoxide, only ground state carbon take part in hybridization because it has to form two bonds. To form two bonds, two unpaired electrons are required. Already in ground state, two unpaired electrons are there. One is separated to form pi bond. The remaining take part in hybridization known as sp hybridization. Now it has a paired sp orbital, half-filled sp orbital, one pure half-filled p orbital. Oxygen has 2s2, 2p2, 2p1, 2p1. Oxygen makes a sigma bond by overlapping of half-filled sp and p orbital, and it makes a pi bond by overlapping of pure p orbitals. Now after the bond formation, oxygen is having, still it is having paired electrons in 2p2. Here is a vacant 2p orbital. So between these two overlapping takes place. Thus what happens? A dative bond is formed. This is the geometry of carbon monoxide. Clearly carbon monoxide has one sigma, one pi bond, and also one dative bond. One dative bond. And you know the bonds formed after sigma bond formation are also taken as pi bonds. Collectively it has three bonds. So what is the bond order? Bond order of CO molecule is 3. And one more point I will explain. What is a formal charge? This is important point. Formal charge. Formal charge on atoms. Here oxygen is donating lone pair. That's why oxygen is getting positive charge, whereas carbon is accepting. So formal charge of oxygen is +1. Formal charge of carbon is -1 because there is a dative bond from oxygen to carbon. Donor will get +1 and acceptor will get -1. These are the formal charges of carbon and oxygen. One more point, whenever CO is taking part in bonding, now the lone pair of carbon is taking part. That means CO act as lone pair donor. Lone pair donor. Carbon atom of CO donates lone pair and act as Lewis base. This is the information about carbon monoxide molecule. Thank you.